There are names in history that echo not just in books, but in the air we breathe, the songs we sing, and the language we speak. Ameer Khusrau, the genius who painted words with sound and sound with spirit, was not merely a poet, but a civilization unto himself. This is his story.
Abul Hassan Yamin Uddin Khusrau was born in 1253 CE in the town of Patiali near Etah in present-day Uttar Pradesh. His father, Saifuddin Mahmud, was a Turkic noble from Balkha who had migrated to India. His mother, an Indian woman of Rajput descent, brought the soul of Hindustan into his cradle.
From the very beginning, Khusrau was surrounded by a dual heritage, Persian sophistication and Indian mysticism. By age 8, he had memorized the Quran. By his teens, he was composing poetry that left elders in awe.
At just 20 years old, Khusrau entered the court of Sultan Balban. Over the next 4 decades, he would serve under 5 rulers of the Delhi Sultanate. His pen chronicled the politics of power, the rise and fall of emperors, the thunder of war drums, and the whispered schemes of viziers.
His Masnavis, like Kiran the Sadain and Tughlaqnama, are more than chronicles. They are epics of ambition and morality, written in a language that flows like the Yamuna and strikes like a sword.
Beyond the courts, Khusrau found his true calling in the spiritual light of Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, the revered Sufi saint who became his mentor and guide. In this sacred companionship, words became worship and melodies became means of transcendence.
It was here that Khusrau birthed Qawwali, a genre that would blend Persian devotion, Arabic structure, and Indian rhythm into something entirely divine. Even today, when Qawwals sing Chap Tilak or Man Kunto Maula, they sing with his soul. Though scholars debate the origins, tradition credits Ameer Khusrau with the invention, or at least popularization, of the sitar and tabla. More importantly, he laid the foundation of Hindustani classical music as we know it. He introduced new ragas, experimented with taranas, rhythmic gibberish syllables, and shaped a music that wasn't just to be heard, but to be felt in every heartbeat. Khusrau didn't just write for kings and saints. He wrote for the people, in Persian, yes, but also in Hindavi, the language of the streets and fields. His riddles, proverbs, and folk songs still echo in rural India and Pakistan. In doing so, he not only entertained, he educated, unified, and elevated. He gave dignity to the vernacular and brought the sacred into the everyday. In 1325, shortly after the death of his spiritual master, Nizamuddin Aulia, Ameer Khusrau passed away. His parting words were drenched in grief. "The lamp of my life is blown out. Now where shall I go?" But Khusrau never truly left. His voice still lives in every Qawwali, every classical raga, every line of Urdu poetry, and every whisper of love that seeks God in beauty.
Ameer Khusrau was more than a man. He was a bridge between East and West, between soul and soil, between devotion and art. He was and remains the soul of Hindustan.
If this story touched you, subscribe for more timeless journeys into culture, history, and spirit. Leave a comment with your favorite Khusrau couplet, and let the poetry live on.